At the end of any consultation with your vet, you need to be completely clear about what the plan is going forward. Hi, I'm Dr. Alex from ourpetshealth.com, where my aim is to help you and your pet live a healthier, happier life. And it's really important at the end of any visit to your vet, you're completely clear about what the plan is going forward. You need to be aware when you next need to make an appointment to see your veterinarian for follow-up, when you need to think about calling your vet if things aren't working. What can you expect with the treatment? Are there any side effects you need to be aware of? What modifications are you going to need to make at home so that your pet has the best chance of recovery? It's often the case, and this is especially with long-term medical conditions, that future follow-ups are going to need to be made to monitor your pet's response to treatment so that any treatment plan, any modifications that are made, any medications that are being administered can be modified if needed. Are they working as well as we would hope, or are there additions that need to be made? Is there side effects being shown? Do blood tests show that there are problems going on within the body that need to be addressed and need to result in a change in treatment? These are all things that you need to be aware of. Now, what often happens, unfortunately, is we administer a treatment in the short term. So this could be for arthritis, it could be for itchy skin, it could be a cat with urinary problems. And we give the recommendation that a revisit should be made in 2 weeks, in 4 weeks, in 6 weeks, whatever it is. Now, unfortunately, what does tend to happen, however, is that people see that there's been that benefit from that initial treatment. They then think that follow-up doesn't need to be made, and then the animal re-presents to their vet 6 months down the line when the problem has got really severe again and your pet is suffering and they're struggling with that condition. Now, not only does this mean that you're back to square one and you have to repeat all of those same things again, it also means that your pet hasn't been receiving the best care possible, and they'll have been uncomfortable, their quality of life will have been compromised, and other things could have happened that actually makes it then much harder to treat successfully. So make sure you're aware of the plan and actually act on that plan as well. So take your vet's advice. Join me tomorrow for one more tip about getting the best value from your vet visit, and until then, take care.